What if one simple movement done every day could quietly reshape your body, boost your energy, and even change how confident you feel when you move? No gym membership, no fancy equipment, no long workouts, just push-ups. Most people think they already know what push-ups do, but the real changes happen in places you might not expect, especially if you stick with them daily. Stay with me, because what happens over the next few minutes might completely change how you look at this classic exercise. Hey, welcome back. I'm glad you're here. I'm a certified fitness coach, and for years I've helped people build strength using simple, realistic habits that actually fit into real life. Today we're talking about what really happens if you do push-ups every single day, whether you're a beginner, getting back into fitness, or already active. This isn't just about arm strength. We're going to talk about what daily push-ups do for your muscles, your posture, your metabolism, and even your mindset. I'll also explain how many push-ups to do, how to modify them if you're struggling, and when daily push-ups might not be the best idea. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use push-ups as a powerful daily habit without burning out or hurting yourself. This is an educational video with practical coaching tips. No equipment needed, just your body and a little floor space. You can do these at home, in a hotel room, or even outside. If you're new, I'll give you easy versions. If you're advanced, I'll explain how to make them more challenging. Let's get into it. Let's start with the most obvious change you'll notice when you do push-ups daily. Your upper body strength improves, and it happens faster than most people expect. Push-ups work your chest, shoulders, and triceps every time you lower and press yourself up. When you repeat that movement day after day, your muscles adapt by getting stronger and more efficient. In the first 1 to 2 weeks, most people notice that push-ups start to feel easier. That doesn't mean they're not working anymore. It means your nervous system is learning how to activate your muscles better. Your body is getting smarter. After that, you'll start seeing real muscle tone, especially in your arms and chest. But here's something many people miss. Push-ups are not just an upper body exercise. When done correctly, they are a full body movement. Your core has to brace to keep your body in a straight line. Your glutes engage to stabilize your hips. Even your legs are active, pressing into the ground. Doing push-ups daily strengthens your core in a very functional way, not by crunching, but by resisting movement. Over time, this leads to better posture. Many people spend hours sitting, looking down at phones, or leaning forward at desks. That posture weakens the muscles that support your shoulders and spine. Daily push-ups help counteract that by strengthening your chest, shoulders, and core together. People often notice they stand taller and feel less slouched without even thinking about it. Another big change happens with joint stability. Your shoulders are complex joints, and push-ups train the muscles that protect and support them. When done with good form, they help improve shoulder health, not hurt it. The key is keeping your elbows at a comfortable angle and moving with control, not rushing through sloppy reps. Now let's talk about metabolism and calorie burn. Push-ups alone won't magically melt fat, but doing them daily contributes to building lean muscle. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue. That means as you get stronger, your body becomes slightly more efficient at using energy throughout the day. Combined with good nutrition and daily movement, this can support fat loss over time. There's also a cardiovascular element people don't always expect. When you do push-ups continuously, especially higher reps or multiple sets, your heart rate goes up. You're moving a large portion of your body weight, which challenges your heart and lungs. Over weeks and months, this can improve muscular endurance and overall fitness, especially for beginners. One of the most underrated benefits of daily push-ups is mental. Doing something challenging every day builds discipline. Push-ups are uncomfortable at first. Your arms shake, your breathing gets heavy, and your brain wants you to quit. Each time you push through that moment, you train mental resilience. That confidence often spills into other areas of life, like sticking with healthier eating or being more consistent with movement. Push-ups become a daily promise you keep to yourself, and that's what creates long-term change. From a physical standpoint, daily push-ups improve pushing strength, core control, posture, and confidence. But from a mental standpoint, they teach you that progress comes from small actions repeated over time, not extreme workouts or quick fixes. So what really happens if you do push-ups every day? You get stronger arms, chest, shoulders, and core. Your posture improves and daily movements feel easier. Your endurance builds and your body becomes more efficient. But most importantly, you build consistency, confidence, and trust in yourself. Push-ups don't need a gym, equipment, or perfect conditions. They meet you where you are. Whether you're doing wall push-ups, knee push-ups, or full push-ups on the floor, they all count. The key is showing up and doing them with intention and good form. If you're starting today, aim small and stay consistent. 5 good push-ups a day beats 50 done once and forgotten. Let your strength build naturally and let your confidence grow with it. If this video helped you understand push-ups in a new way, take a second to like the video so more people can find it. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future workouts and fitness tips. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and tell me how many push-ups you can do right now, or which version you're starting with. And when you're done here, check out the next video on simple bodyweight exercises you can do at home to build full body strength. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next one.